Welcome back, traders. Today let's talk about the perfect hidden reversal pattern traders miss. Yes, if you are new to our channel, click on the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we drop interesting videos like this. What are we talking about? Tweezer bottom pattern. Now, what is a tweezer bottom? A tweezer bottom is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern that appear after a downtrend. When we talk about reversal, I've already talked about it on my other videos, so you can check on my last videos to know what reversal means. Reversal is when market is turning from buying to selling or turning from selling to buying. So we have candlestick patterns that will help you identify these things. I've talked about the engulfing, I've talked about the hammer, I've talked about the piercing. So they are on my other videos. Today, let's dive into tweezer bottom. Now, tweezer bottom, it's a two candle formation, yeah, that form after a downtrend, formed by two candles that has the same equal high and equal low, like market rejecting price. Now, how do you identify these things? So stay to the end of this video so that you see the diagram of the tweezer bottom, so that when you see it on your chart, you will not make mistake. Now, how to identify it? The tweezer bottom appear at the end of the bearish move. It always appear at the end of the what? Bearish move. The first candle is a bearish candle and the second candle is what? A bullish candle. Both candle has equal lows. Yes, they have equal highs, equal lows. So that's how you see it on your chart. When we talk about tweezer bottom, I'm not talking about a two. It's not a two. It's a candle reversal pattern that occur after a decline in price. The first candle shows rejection of lower price. The second candle retests the low of the previous candle and close highly. That is it. On the first candle, sellers push price lower, thinking that they are in control of the market. Because I tell you that the body of a candle tells you who is in control of the market. So whenever you go to your chart and see some healthy body candle, either your bearish candle or your bullish candle, you see heavy body candles, you will know that okay, it's either buyers or sellers that is in control. That has helped me a lot in the trading journey. Whenever I want to take some decision and I see some healthy candles, it tells me who is in control and how to make my decision. Now let's continue. So sellers already thought they are in control when they push price lower. But what happened? Buyers stepped in with pressure and do what? Took over the market. On the second candle, sellers again tried to push price lower but failed and was finally overwhelmed by strength of what? Buyers. The strengths of buyers are awesome, so they took over the market. Now note, a tweezer bottom tells you the market has difficult trading lower after two attempts and it's likely to do what? Go higher. So when you see a tweezer bottom, what are you signifying? Signifying that this is a what? A reversal pattern. The market is what? Going to buy. And it appear at what? Your demand or support level. That is where you see. So when you see it any other place that is not your demand or support area, that is not a tweezer bottom. And let me tell you something for free. When you see a candlestick pattern at higher time frame, is top notch. Yeah, it gives you a strong buying or selling momentum. Now let's dive into the diagram. So this is what? A tweezer bottom. The first candle, sellers came in thinking that they can do what? Push price lower. But what happened? They had rejection. Second time again, sellers came in again, and what happened? Buyers overthrown them. That is why I told you that it has what? Equal high and equal low. As a trader, one thing that I will tell you is very necessary to train your eye to identify a lot of things on your chart. Is very necessary. When you identify these things on your chart, you see yourself making massive profit. Now, when you see it at your demand or support area, you see it equal high, equal lows. If you find this video interesting, do it to share to your loved ones so that everybody stay profitable in the financial market. The game is to make money. See you guys on our next video. We'll be dropping a lot of candlestick pattern that will help you remain ahead of the chart.